Hello and welcome to one and all present here. You may not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can change your attitude and the way you deal with it. And today, we all are doing the same thing. Instead of changing our goal, we have changed our way to achieve those goals. On this note, I, Ms. Shivani Dhaure, welcome you all on this 8th Digital BRIMS Connect session for the month of September 2020. Now, let us have a glance on the updates and achievements. On 3rd September, Professor Kunal K. Punjani was invited as a resource person for national level webinar on Mendeley Reference Management Tool. On 6th September, Dr. Nitin Joshi completed a course on self-development. On 10th September, University of Mumbai nominated Dr. V. N. Brims as the lead college. As the lead college, Dr. V. N. Brims is coordinating with University of Mumbai on guiding and resolving queries of 9 cluster members with respect to final year online examination. Dr. Nitin Joshi had a meeting with colleges in the cluster for online conduct of exams. Also, Dr. Smita Jape and Professor Vibhuti Save attended 4 meetings conducted by Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai, Dr. Suhas Pednekar and Dr. Vinod Patil, Director, Board of Examination and Evaluation. On 12th September, Dr. Nitin Joshi took a session for the TMF, that is Thane Management Forum, on the topic Advances in Marketing. On 19th September 2020, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar from IQAC of Dr. V. N. Brims organized a webinar on theme Prioritization of Personal Goals in the Times of COVID, which was addressed by Dr. Nitin Joshi and Professor Ajitab Datta. These are some of the feedbacks. Dr. Smita Jape, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Professor Krunal K. Punjani ideated, designed, marketed, successfully organized and delivered session for the online 5 days FDP on a step ahead towards publishing your research paper in Scopus Index Journal by power of SPSS and AMOS between 26th to 30th September 2020. Professor Sandeep Moghe ensured IT support for the FDP. These are some of the feedbacks. From 16th to 25th September, 4 webinars were arranged by Dr. Alok John Vieira, Dr. Smita Jape, Professor Deepthi Periwal and Professor Mahesh Bhanushali regarding why to choose MBA, in which the faculty talked about how MBA helps us in acquiring new knowledge, good personality and a respectable job with a good salary package. Huge participation was recorded in the webinar. Moving ahead, on 30th September, Dr. Nitin Joshi got nominated as an external subject expert for the Research Advisory Committee of the Faculty of Commerce, Management and Hospitality of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University to evaluate the research plans of the research scholars of the faculty. Congratulations, sir. Also, our college experienced a proud moment as the college is awarded as Best Emerging Institute in Mumbai by Praxis Media. Going ahead, Professor Krunal K. Punjani, on behalf of the IIC team of BRIMS, organized InnoBiz Innovation Competition for the month of September, coordinated with mentors to get their solution notes and also coordinated with the senior judges panel to evaluate all the teams. Now, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar will announce the winners.
Hello everyone. I wish to congratulate each and every team for participation in InnoBiz contest for September month. Your enthusiastic participation was visible through the number of entries and the kind of solutions, innovative solutions you all have proposed. So it's the time for declaration of winners. At fifth position is the team of Jatin Matre, Samruddhi Shinde, and Shaima Khan, mentored by Professor Krunal Panjani. Congratulations. Now at the fourth position is the team of Simran Maurya and Madhavi Mahanagare, mentored by Professor Siddhesh Soman. Congratulations, team. The third position is achieved by team members Purva, Saili Revati and Saili Varanj, which is mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. Congratulations, team, for your consistency. Second position is secured by the team of Srushti Padwar, Jane Fernandez and Meenal Jadhav, which is mentored by Professor Krunal Panjani. And the winner of InnoBiz September 2020, that is the first position, which is secured by team of Mahiba Pauldas, Saili Karambekar, Prashansa Adakane and Ankita Chikne, which is mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. Heartiest congratulations to the team. Congratulations and all the best to all the winning teams as well as all the participants. All the very best for forthcoming problem statements of InnoBiz. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Here we are addressing issues of Big Basket during COVID-19 lockdown. To combat the spread of a coronavirus, nationwide lockdown was announced in March 2020, which caused panic among the customers about the availability of the necessities, which resulted in stocking product by online buying. This scenario affected Big Basket and online grocery store in following ways. First, surge of a demand leading to crash of the website, difficulty in fulfilling order due to staff shortage, issuing procuring supplies and meeting shortage of inventory. For having these problems, our approach is oriented towards three activities of Big Basket. First one, receiving demand, which focus on reducing traffic in website and finding alternative mode of receiving orders. Next is procuring inventory, which focus on changes in procuring and managing inventory for having inventory as per demand. And the last one is fulfilling demand, which focus on reducing the effect of shortage of staff and fulfilling orders on time. So the first one is receiving demand, which introduce representative centers, which means start representative centers in different localities for receiving order placement. Provide different timing for shopping. After bifurcating customer as already subscribed and new customer, give them different timing for shopping. Introduce virtual waiting room. Limit number of a shopping customer and route rest to waiting rooms where the facility like playing games, reading news, articles or jokes are provided. Special discount. Time cutting discount for taking less time for order placement and time taking discount for waiting in a virtual room. The next one is a procuring inventory, which include pre-order extra inventory, which means order extra inventory from suppliers and provide incentives for prompt supply. Hold inventory at different places as per demand from particular area to make it available soon to customer. Routing of inventories directly to representative centers from suppliers as per demand and from there to customer. Collaborate with local store owner, so local store owners can provide with immediate requirement of products. And the last one is fulfilling demand. For that, group shopping, which means encourage customer to place group orders so that delivery can be made at one time. Hire area delivery representative. Hire personnel from different area to represent their own area for delivery. Partners with travel agency. Get into an agreement with travel agency for having their staff for delivery. Provide trust badges. Badges or band like the trusted hand to delivery personnel to encourage and keep them working. So this is our innovative solution and it is presented by Mahiba, Saili, Prashansa and Ankita under the guidance of Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra.
Congratulations to all the winners. Going further, Professor Dipti Periwal released a video on Happiest Minds IPO, Should You Invest? From 14th to 18th September, Dr. Smita Jape attended 5 days international workshop on crossing barriers in research conducted by New Horizon College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Also, between 28th to 30th September, Professor Krunal K. Panjani attended 3 days online workshop on managing literature for scholarly writing organized by MAR Athanasius College, Kerala. On 12th September, finance faculty and finance students attended a webinar on financial modeling conducted by Bombay Stock Exchange. These were the webinars attended by Dr. Arlob John Vieira in the month of September. Going ahead with some of the students' achievements, we have Shivani Dhave of second year MMS who has completed courses offered by TCS on accounting fundamentals, understanding collateral management, communication skills and understanding market risk in financial sector. Next is Revati Padature, MMS second year student who has completed a course on Excel skills for business essentials offered by Coursera. So these all were the achievements and updates of various events that happened in the month of September 2020. We would like to thank our director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for the constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank all the faculty members and the IT team for their support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their efforts. Today's video was prepared by second year MMS student Sujay Patil and second year PGDM student Ajay Sarse, and the event was anchored by second year MMS student Shivani Dhave. We would like to thank each one of you for joining the event. It is rightly said that believe in your infinite potential. So, believe in yourself and use your infinite potential to explore and achieve new talents. Thank you for your kind support and cooperation. Stay home, stay safe.